All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, Appleton, Wisconsin. Look at us go. Going to our favorite grocery shopping store to find something to eat. Will we find something good? Will we find something different? I highly doubt it, but stay tuned if you really want to find out what we cook tonight. All right, here we are. Good old 311. Let's go a little quick room tour. Candlewood Suites, Applewood, Wisconsin. Oh, look what we found here. The mini air fryer, of course, eh? So we didn't get the super upgrade this time. It is what it is. Basic room. However, you got a nice TV. But however, it never matters because we got that full-size kitchen. That's all that really, really matters. All right, so here's what's on the menu tonight. Love, love, love the old clam strips now. Cannot go wrong with those. As a side note, we've got some Louisiana cocktail sauce. That looks good. I don't think I've had that before. We're going with some Taipei beef and broccoli as a little side dish. So there you have it. Let's go. Let's cook it up. Let's do this. Now, as always, we have got to get the little air fryer preheat going. See that? Got to preheat the travel air fryer. So this says air fryer 375, 7 to 8 minutes. By the way, look at the ingredients on this stuff. First ingredient, high fructose corn syrup. So you know this stuff is basically corn syrup. That's why it's so good. So, you know, pretty generous portion there. You know, definitely not one box enough for 2 people. You're not going to feed a family of 6 with 1 box, even a family of 4. You'd need a couple boxes for sure. About $7. So we got about 3/4 of a bag in there, maybe something like that. It's pretty good coverage for the little travel air fryer. I'm telling you, love this thing. Yeah, if you've never tried clam strips before, you're missing out. If you like seafood, if you like shrimp, they're absolutely delicious. Give these a run. Definitely worth it. All right, let's do a check, see what we got. Oh, yeah, browning up nice, looking good. Let them get good and crispy before you stop. It's gonna be good. So here is a nice little review of what we're gonna eat. Finished clam strips. Looking good. There's our beef and broccoli. All right, there's the finished product. Not bad, not a bad plate. Let's give it a try. Going in with some sauce first. Give that a little run. Here we go. Let's give it a run. Let's give it a run. That high fructose corn syrup is good now. That's got a little spice to it. Louisiana cocktail sauce. All right. A little hard to see here. That's the plate. Little Taipei beef and broccoli test. This is going to be hot. Could use a little salt and pepper. And of course, I forgot to bring my salt and pepper that I never leave the house without. So, got to go with actual table salt, man. That is 100% brutal. If I'm doing that, I'm not going to spill that whole thing in there, man. I just got to gently put a little bit on there. Don't like table salt. All right, another test here. Let's try it. With some salt and pepper. Absolute game changer. Absolute game changer. Some more clam strips. Love these things, man. I'm telling you, if you've never tried these, you're blowing it. I mean, once again, I think I'm going to survive. I think I'm going to make it. Once again, just going back to what I always say when I'm doing this is with a little bit of planning, you can, I think, eat on the road like a normal person. Don't have to go out and eat every night. I mean, some people like doing that. I don't. I hate going out to eat. So, plan ahead just a little bit. Get you a travel air fryer. I mean, you can't beat it, man. Uh, and cook up some good room in the hotel. Get a hotel with a kitchen, But even if you don't, if you have the air fryer, you're gold. That was a good combination. The clam strips and the fried rice, that was absolutely good. But hey, we're not going to let you get out of here until we have a little dessert, little great value cookies and cream, ice cream. I mean, that is not bad. If you look at like a small little Ben and Jerry's or any of those specialty ice creams, you just get the little tub. It's $5 or $6. This thing right here, this great value ice cream, it's like $3, man. Let's give it a run. Absolutely great. All right, well, appreciate you guys. Haven't done a cooking video in a while. I know I got to get back on the train. Been doing a lot of live streams, live cooking, live gaming, or whatever. So, but hey, I'm gonna try. I got some ideas. I got some new videos. I think I got some good ideas coming up. So just be ready. Um, like always, if you made it this far, appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.